Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, April the 23rd, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have Windows 10 update that, according to a lot of people, have kind of noticed that on 17.134, when the splash screen appears for Microsoft Edge, it actually says, "Welcome to the Windows 10 April update." That actually might be the name. Simple April update. Now, I would kind of add the year to it, because if they have more than one April update, maybe it can get a little mixed up. But anyways, that is apparently. And more we think that Microsoft will just not really go there and say, hey, we have an official name for it. They're just going to say, oh, here's the update, and it's the April update. China is actually looking at what the effects basically of, last week we talked about ZTE that now is banned from buying chips from the United States. Well, China's decided that it needs to accelerate the introduction of and the production of its own chips, CPUs, Wi-Fi chips, chips of all sorts. Why? Because they just want to stop to have the dependence of buying from other countries. So that might have a very different outlook for the future if China really works hard for this. Well, the hints that a dark theme for the File Explorer in Redstone 5 are actually showing up. It seems that some people have spotted that, yep, dark theme is coming to Windows 10 Redstone 5. The first in some of the modifications of the File Explorer. A lot of people have been asking for changes to the File Explorer. Well, it might be coming up soon. Something weird is happening for some Gmail users. A lot of people have said through the weekend that basically they have received spam from themselves. Now, Gmail says that they've been looking at the situation. They don't think that any accounts have been hacked or anything. They just think that what's happening is that it has to do with some other service. One of them, they said that it seems to come from the telecommunications giant TELUS, and that basically in reality it's not coming from you. It's just that the headers are spoofed to make it look like it's from you, and of course because of that it escapes the spam folder and gets in your inbox. So of course all of these companies are looking into what's happening right now. Well, Florida police that wanted to unlock a phone from a dead subject actually tried to use its fingerprint from, of course, the dead body to access the information that might be helpful. And did they have a warrant or not? It's not really clear exactly what happened. But hey, they would try anything to get information off your phone. So if you have a 13-inch MacBook and you purchased that MacBook between October 2016 and October 2017, and that it's the MacBook that does not have that touch bar at the top, well, you might be eligible for a battery replacement for free. It seems that some batteries in 13-inch MacBooks made from that period are known to swell. So check it out. Of course, like I said, you need to have a MacBook that does not have the touch bar at the top, and check it out. Well, the European Union wants to protect whistleblowers, or people that actually will, tell upon the fact that their company had a data breach. Right now, the problem is, if you do so, you can be sued, you can be, of course, lose your job. Well, the European Union says we need whistleblowers, and that new laws coming to effect might help actually prevent these workers from actually losing their jobs. Windows Defender will soon be able to let you know when a part of your Windows 10 operating system is actually unsecure, and if some software might create problems or anything that might be unusual. It's actually going to tell you, I've detected a little something that's not normal or it's weird in your system. So this is apparently rolling out soon to the Windows Defender antivirus in Windows 10. Apple has created a robot that rips apart 200 iPhones per hour for recycling, of course. But it has other dreams. It wants to actually get you to bring your old technology, even if it's not Apple stuff, and in order to, of course, recycle it. And in exchange for it, they'll give you some credits for the Apple Store. Not a bad idea. A new study is very interesting about the music industry, saying that streaming music is actually saving the music industry right now. In 2017, 43% of all revenue to the music industry come from streaming services, and that basically it is a good thing. Even though a lot of artists are complaining, apparently it is a very good thing. Do you want to have an Amazon robot following you around in your home? Amazon is working up on a project called Vesta, and it seems that it could be a robot that would follow you around with Alexa capabilities. That sounds creepy, maybe. I don't know, but it's going to be interesting to see. And finally, a sad report is saying that Microsoft tech support scams are a growing problem. They're not going away. It seems that more and more people are actually losing millions of dollars because of this, and that people need to be educated. So please, if you have a friend, family, let them know that Microsoft does not do this. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, April the 23rd, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.